Hey, what's up, guys? This is James Davidian, and today I'm going to show you how to use a document camera in real time for your Google Meet students. Now, obviously, I'm using Screencastify to record this, but I'm going to show you guys step by step how to do this. All right? How many of you guys are impressed? You're a math teacher, English teacher. You're like, wow, I want to show kids physically how to work, model, show them examples, show them how to draw, whatever it is. I like to draw pictures too. But anyway, let's get to it. So step one, you need two different Google Meets. So let me just show you guys how to do that. I'm going to exit out of this particular program. I'm going to exit out of this program, but you'll still see me over there. And here we go. Step one, open up a Google Meet just for you and your students. And I'll just do that for you guys right here. Now, obviously, I'm using two cameras, so right now the document cam is probably going to show up. So step one is you have to choose the right camera. So if this is my Google Meet that I'm going to show my students are going to see me. I'm going to present from the screen. I'm going to record from the screen. My kids need to see me. So I need to change the settings. So click the three dots. I'm going to change the camera. I'm going to change it to my Logitech camera and, high definition, so they can see all my cool skin, whatever. I don't know if that's a bad joke. All right. The audio as well, I need to change that to my Logitech camera if I can find it, or I'll just click webcam right here. Okay, we're looking good. Sounds good. We'll log into the Meet. Okay, the reason why you need a second Google Meet is because there's feedback. If I open up a whole nother Google Meet with the same link, then it'll be two cameras, two audios with this camera and that camera, and the same room will just create a bunch of echoes. So you need a second room, any room you want, even if you use Zoom or you could use a whole other Google Meet. This is my 8:30 a.m. tutoring link, Google Meet. So I'm going to open that. No one else is going to be there because it's not going to be 8:30. You can create a random Google Meet if you want, but that's the one I use. So obviously I can't. I need to show my document cam, and so let's change the settings to. We'll change the microphone to lumens because that's the name of the document cam. Under camera, I'm going to change it to lumens. And I'm going to put high definition as well because I want my kids to see as much information as possible. So we'll join this room as well. This is a second room. All right. And we're good to go. So now the last step is easy. You just go over here to present. Because I have all these internet tabs open, I can present my entire screen. That's the goal. Present your entire screen. And now my students are going to see whatever in front of whatever on my laptop right here. Now, obviously, I don't need this screen, so they'll need this screen. So right now, they're going to be seeing me present this internet tab, but at the same time, they're going to see my picture on their screen talking. And if you're recording your lesson, it's actually going to look something like this. If I wanted to record this lesson, let's click record. Hey, I can't see. Let's click record lesson. Wait. We're on the wrong page. We need to go over here and click record lesson. Okay, this is the reason. It's because this screen right here is presenting my entire laptop. So now we're recording. Hey, what's up? This is Mr. Davidian. Thank you for joining today's AP English test class. For all my cool students out there, welcome. Now I'm presenting my screen. So right now you're seeing this crazy screen, but right now I am presenting anything that's on my laptop, which is this. So my students will be able to see me over there talking, and the recording is actually going to have me in a small picture, and it's going to show whatever I'm doing here. But also, if I need to go back and forth between different PowerPoints, you can do that as well. If you're showing a PowerPoint here, you go through different slides, it's going to record whatever slide you're showing because it's recording your desktop. If I need to go to the internet, maybe show some Abraham Lincoln quotes, boom, it's going to record all of this for you. So let me show you guys physically how it looks on my end. So if I want my kids to see this, obviously I'm presenting this particular tab, but over there is my second monitor. So what I do is I take this particular Google Meet, which looks crazy. I'm going to slide it. And all right, let's see if you can see this. Okay, so my monitor is right there showing who's ever in my class. This Google Meet is actually going to be what I'm presenting, what I'm recording, and all that. So I know this is gonna look crazy, but right there, all my students would actually be on my second TV, and I'm using an HDMI cable right here. So that's what I would recommend, using a TV, a second TV monitor if you can. And that's pretty much how, sorry, that's pretty much how you can, oh, let me show you guys my webcam real quick. This is actually the webcam from the school. It just plugs in using a USB, and there you go. So for all you teachers out there who would like to just model for your students hands-on, there you go. Use 2 Google Meets and you get it done. And I'm going to end this recording. Have a great day. See you in the next class.